As from Monday up to this point in time, a total of 324 extraction have been done, and out of the 324, 78 are human remains or corpses, and then 246 are people who are still alive. All those people have been processed. The corpses have been handed over to the pathological services. Out of the 324 extractions that have been done, 128 are confirmed as Mozambican citizen, 80 are from Lesotho, Zimbabweans 33, and then South Africans it's only 5. There are no longer corpses or bodies underground, but despite or alive persons underground. But despite what they are saying, together in consultation with the mine rescue services, we said we need to do what we call a mop-up operation tomorrow, just to satisfy ourselves and also to confirm what they have said to us. So we will still be on site until we have satisfied ourselves that indeed the operation has come to its logical conclusion.
This is a closer look of what the operation that's currently underway looks like. What we have here today on day 4 of phase 3 of the mine rescue operation teams trying to verify whether there really are no more signs of life underground after the 2 volunteers who were sent down with the cage over the past couple of days told us that there was nobody left underground. What you'll see behind me is a winder that sent a cage down the 2.5 meter long shaft, and what it's doing is scanning the different levels as it goes down. First it was sent about 1,100 meters, then it was lowered down. They were at the time they weren't able to pick up any voices or see any visuals within that area. They then lowered it down again, down to about 2,000 meters. Again, there where there's water, there were no signs of life either. They've then decided to bring it up now, considering that there are no signs of life, and they're hoping to then get that information and take it to police.
We were expected to be here for about 16 days from the initial start, but I must say, with the support from the OEMs, my team here at the back, the guys have really excelled. They put in long hours, and we could have completed yesterday taking out all the people last night around about 7, 8 o'clock. It was also my concern to make sure that if we leave here, we have accounted for everybody that wants to come out voluntary. So we left the site last night, allowing if there should be any people inside the mine that wants to come out. This morning we sent down our cage to go and scan the area where we have worked. So we lowered it down to 1,280 meters of where we use the cameras that's inside the cage, scanning the level. And we couldn't detect any persons or lamps or any voices being heard of any people that's shouting for help. We further then went down to about 2,100 meters of where there's a water level. Up to there, we didn't detect any people, so we're on our way now coming out.
Our priority and objective right from the beginning was to address illegal mining, and therefore, as far as the operation is concerned, those members who are deployed for Operation Vala Umgodi will continue to be on site, not only at 11 shaft, but in all the areas where illegal mining is taking place. It is just unfortunate that this became our hotspot or focal area, but we will be focusing in all the other areas where there are mining, whether authorized or unauthorized, but the operation will continue.
I risked my life to go there to save people. Where was this rescue machine? They said they will put a cage. They will never put someone down. So who will open the cage? We came as a community leaders. We take our lives. So we said, we want to save those people. We will go down there no matter dark or blue. I know it may happen now that I feel like I'm strong, but when the days and months go, I will be weak because I'm starting to see this horrible thing since I was born.